Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss with you a big issue many people are having about the lead form campaign and the leads they are getting. So it's everywhere. If you search the internet, people are getting fake leads and spam leads on their campaign. The clients are getting frustrated, and if you're running your own campaign, you're getting a leads and you're really happy. Okay, so you're getting a low CPC and the CPL is really low and you're getting a lot of leads and your campaign is successful. And when your leads goes into your CRM and you try to contact them and send an email or call or your sales team call them, and they get a reply that the user never filled the form and they are not interested in your services, and you get confused that if they didn't fill the form, how you get all their information and their lead and the lead form got submitted. So all these leads are fake and you're contacting those leads and they're not interested and they are basically a fake leads. Someone else is filling the forms, they're putting the information of other people's to fill your form on your campaign, and all your campaign budget is getting wasted because you're not getting a qualified leads. All those leads are getting wasted. So there can be some reasons behind it. I'm not like giving 100% approved reason, but there can be, because like in different countries what happens that some people run a campaign about earn quick money from home or type of campaigns. And so what they do that they have a Google AdSense on their website and they want to earn quick money from their ads. So what they do, they run a campaign and they gather some people around the world and they give them a task that if you go to this website and click on this ad and fill this survey, or click on this video or watch this video, will pay you 10 cents, 5 cents per view or something like that. So what's happening, the people around the world, they are joining them and they're filling the forms, they're clicking on their websites and they're getting few cents for that. But in against the guy who has the person who has the AdSense on their website, or the ads audience network ads on their website, or those placements, they're getting paid from the money you're spending on your Facebook ad campaigns. That's how the leads get fake, because people are just gathering or scraping data from the internet. They're just putting the information in the form and filling them up. Or most of the time they gave the spreadsheet to the users who join their campaign, these type of fake campaigns, and they just ask them that go to this website and start filling the forms. So because of all these strategies and the tricks they're using to earn money from the ads revenue, it's giving a hard time to the campaigns or the strategies we are using to boost our campaign or to get a qualified leads. It's because it's messing up the whole analytics and the bots we are using to, like, it's just messing up with the whole campaign system and the analytics. So what you can do, there are few things you can do, but like there's no 100% way to eliminate these type of situations from your campaign, but we can still take some precautions. There are more things you can, like, you can create a more difficult form, but I don't think that will be a good. If a real user lands on your ad and try to fill the form, and if they see that there is a really lengthy lead form on your ad, they might skip. So either you can take them to the website and have them fill the form over there, or there's one more better way, that you can just ask them to start a chat with you. So it's better you know on the spot that you have a real user or a fake lead. So you can just ask them after that to go to the website. You can give them the form URL, your landing page URL, and ask them to fill the form and book a calendar. So there's an extra step you need to do to save your money, because otherwise your whole campaign budget will be lost, and you will be showing the results to your clients that you're giving them leads. But in the end, they will be really frustrated that all the leads are wasted, because they'll be calling, and from the other end, the user will be shouting on them that we didn't fill the form and why you're calling us and all this stuff, because it's happening to the people. they're getting fake calls, or they're getting calls from the businesses where they never submitted any form. So you can add an extra layer of protection, that you can first start with the messenger or a live chat, and then ask the user to fill the form, so your lead will be confirmed. And in your Facebook campaign, you can also remove the option for audience network, because most of these type of ads goes to the audience network, where it runs on the websites, and the website owners with the AdSense and the other type of ad placements, they get benefits from it. So you can, if you are not interested with the audience network placements, you can just remove it and don't have it on your ad campaigns. It will you will see the effects of this, of removing the audience network from your campaigns. So you just need to go into your ad set in your campaign, the live campaign or any type of campaign you're starting. So just go into the ad set area, scroll down at the bottom of the ad set, and you'll see the placements here. So you just need to click the edit button, it will appear here, and once you click on it, it will give you these two options, the advanced placement and the manual placements. So in the, you just need to click manual placements and just uncheck the audience network from here. So once you do that, your ads will not display on the audience network anymore. So once you do that, you will save from the website's traffic. You will not be, your ads will not be displayed on the website. So if you want to go in more details, you can just scroll down here and search what type of banners your website, your ads was like displayed on the website. So you can just go into apps and sites, and you can just watch it here, that how your ads were displayed in the apps or audience network placements. So you'll know that how it was affecting your campaign and your leads. And there's one more thing you can do, that when you're seeing that, okay, I'm getting a lot of fake leads, so you can come back to your campaign. And what you can do here, let me close this and you can go to view chart of your campaign. So once you're in this section, you can go scroll down and go to platforms. So here you will know that what type of platforms the users are coming from. Here you can check that okay, the Facebook is getting you more users to your ads, and then you can go to, in the ad level, you can also check that what platforms you're getting more traffic from. So this is the audience network platform. So if you're getting a lot of users and the attractions from the audience network and less from the Facebook or Instagram, or like it's equal to Facebook and Instagram, and you're getting 40 to 60% fake leads, it means you're getting from the audience network. So just go into the analytics section of your ads and just read it and check what is going on here, where you're getting most traffic from. And you'll know that, okay, so this is the platform which is giving me more fake leads. So just remove it from your placements and try for a few more days and check what type of leads you're getting. And I hope this will solve your issue. So guys, I was hearing a lot of problems from a lot of users, so I thought I should share my reviews on this. I hope this video will help you and fix your problem. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I like this video. Thank you.